I've discovered 21 incredible freelancing tips for success in 2025 that can help you not just make some extra cash on the side, but potentially kickstart a full-time freelance career or even launch your own business. If you're excited to learn about these game-changing strategies and want more content like this, show your support by gently tapping the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. As we say goodbye to 2024, let's step into 2025 with confidence and equipped with top-notch freelancing tactics that could transform your professional life. I've also included some incredibly useful resources in the description and pinned a comment below with additional tips. So make sure to check those out. Ready to find out what the tips are? Let's get started. Tip number 1, define your expertise. Whether you are a graphic designer, a software developer, or a content writer, knowing what you offer is crucial. Before you dive into freelance market, sit down and clearly outline what services you will offer. This clarity will help you market yourself and attract the right kind of work. Next, perfect your skills. The freelance market is competitive, and the best way to stand out is by being excellent at what you do. Regularly update your skill set with new courses and new certification to stay relevant and attractive to potential clients. For tip 3, always stay updated. The world is changing rapidly, and keeping up with industry trends is crucial. This not only helps you adapt to new demands, but also present you as a proactive professional. Moving on to tip 4, leverage tools available on platforms like Upwork. Use technology to streamline your workflow from proposal writing to project management, enhancing your productivity and professionalism. Tip 5 is all about building a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your career showcase, displaying your best work to potential clients. Make it diverse and detailed, demonstrating your skills and your ability to handle a range of projects. Tip number 6, use online platforms effectively. Platforms like Upwork or Freelancers are gateways to global clients. Create a compelling profile and bid strategically to win the best jobs. 7th, build your digital presence. Beyond freelance platforms, establish yourself on social media and professional networks like LinkedIn. Share your project, process, and insight to attract broader audience. Tip 8, invest in quality tools. This could mean softwares, courses, or even setting up a proper home office. Show your clients that you take freelancing career seriously by investing in the best tools. Moving on to tip 9, set the right prices. Don't undervalue your work. Research what others in your field are charging and align your rates competitively. Adjust as you gain more experience and skills. Tip 10, negotiate fairly. When you discuss projects with clients, be clear about what you're offering and be open to negotiation. This builds respect and leads to longer-lasting professional relationships. For tip 11, manage expectations. Always set realistic deadlines and clear deliverables with your clients to avoid any future misunderstandings. 12, communication clearly. Good communication is key to successful freelance projects. Be precise in your proposal and reports, and always keep the lines open for any questions or updates. Tip 13, use contracts. They protect both you and your client to clarify the scope of work, timeline, and payment terms. This will ensure everyone is on the same page and can prevent disputes. 14th, safeguard your intellectual property. Ensure your contracts address copyright ownership, especially if you're working on creative content or unique tech solutions. Next up, ensure client satisfaction. Deliver quality work on time. Be proactive in your communication and exceed expectations where you can. Satisfied clients are repeat clients. Tip 16, update clients regularly. Whether it's a quick email update or a weekly call, keep your clients in the loop on the project progress. Tip 17, seek feedback. 17th, always seek feedback. After completing a project, ask for feedback. This not only helps you improve, but also encourages a continuous relationship with your client. 18th, don't be shy to request referrals. If a client is happy with your work, ask them to refer you to others. This is a powerful way to build your client base. 19th, balance work and life. Freelancing doesn't mean all work all the time. Ensure you manage your time well to enjoy both professional and personal life. Tip 20, master time management. Juggling multiple clients and projects requires excellent organization skills. Use tools like calendars and project management software to keep track of your deadlines and commitments. Finally, tip 21, organize your finance. Keep a detailed record of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help manage your freelance finance effectively. And there you have it, the top 21 freelancing tips for success in 2025. I hope these tips inspire and guide you toward a prosperous freelance career. Remember, success is a journey and every step counts. Don't forget to check out the additional resources I've included in the video description and the pinned comment below. They're packed with extra information to help you navigate your freelance journey even more effectively. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Share your thoughts or any questions you may have in the comment below. And make sure you explore the extra resources I've linked for you. See you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.